It takes you 5 minutes.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Klaiyi hair, and if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. So the wig that I picked up this time is this brand new Bye Bye Knots Wear and Go pre-cut lace wig, and this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, I picked up this gorgeous auburn reddish brown color, which is like perfect for the fall time. My wig is 24 inches long, 180% density, and this wig does have that 7 by 5 inch lace, which is already pre-cut in like that S-shaped zigzag motion to make it look super realistic and natural. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received the wig and to kind of further look at it to figure out if anything needs to be done. And absolutely nothing needs to be done other than a quick co-wash and a little bit of foundation on the lace to kind of get it to blend in with my skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So I'm starting off co-washing my unit, and I'm just using my silicone mix. Now once again, if you guys are interested in this wig, I do have a discount code. You guys can save 20% when you use my code, which is MY20. So be sure to take advantage of that and save yourself some cash. So now that I've co-washed my unit, I'm going to get it ready to wear. Now this is a wear and go wig, so it's ready to go directly out of the pack. However, I personally prefer to kind of go in and co-wash my units as I do with all of my wigs. It's just a personal preference. You can definitely wear the wig how it comes directly out of the box and you'll be just fine. I do prefer to co-wash my units and just kind of style it while it's resting on my canvas block. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going in with a little bit of gel and I'm slicking the areas right along the hairline. You guys should already know that this wig is pre-plucked, so therefore absolutely no work needs to be done. I'm just pulling out my baby hairs and then I will go ahead and put down the elastic band just to kind of let it dry nice and sleek and smooth around that hairline area. Now I'm going in with my wet and wavy styling cream just to kind of allow those curls to redefine and pop further, and this is what it's looking like. I'm now going to allow this wig to sit and dry overnight, and I believe it took me about 2 days for the wig to completely dry. If you put it in front of the fan, it should be ready to go. Now this wet and wavy cream definitely allows the wig to dry very soft. You don't develop a cast or anything like that, and this is what it looks like. Now the lace is still a little too light for my skin tone, so I like to go in using a little bit of foundation, apply that all over the lace to where I get a nice even melt. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on and see what we're working with. I'm taking my Got2b glued freeze spray. I'm just going to spray it just along the very front of the hairline over the lace. Then I'm using my blow dryer to set that in place. Now I hate Got2b because it always starts to flake up and stuff like that. So I'm going in with the alcohol wipe just to kind of clean that up. Now I'm making myself some baby hairs. Totally unnecessary. So I know a lot of you guys can't stand these, but I do like baby hairs just because it kind of gives the hairstyle personality. And when I'm dealing with colored hair, I find that it adds contrast, being that my eyebrows are darker, and also it disguises the lace, being that it's still a tad bit too light for my skin tone. Now I'm using this black conceal stick and I'm just applying that along the root area, once again just to kind of give this wig some personality and some contrast. I kind of like that grown out root look. and it also makes the part pop, but I am also applying a little bit of foundation to kind of further help define that parting space. Now if you have like a darker powder, this is the time that you can add it along the lace just to kind of tone that lightness down. I went ahead and I applied an edge band just to set that in place, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mousse and get rid of like that bulky wig stand shape that's kind of occurring on top of the wig. So now you can go ahead and go in with like a white tooth comb to kind of pick out the hair to add some volume and some structure. Okay, and this is what it's looking like, y'all. I feel like this red color is really growing on me. Y'all know I usually don't like to do color. I might go for something that has a couple of streaks in it, but I never really like to go for a solid color, and I think that this red shade is the one. It's growing on me. I don't know if it's because it's fall time and I'm just ready for this hot weather to be over with, but it's really looking good, if I might say so myself. And you guys, look at the curls. They are so soft. I'm gonna leave that curling cream in the info section just in case you guys are interested. It definitely makes a difference. Y'all gotta pick that up. But you guys, get into this wig. It looks super natural, super realistic, super soft. I love the volume. The only thing is that this wig is a 24-inch and it kind of looks a little short for a 24-inch, so definitely do keep that in mind. But I'm here for it. It looks gorgeous, and I definitely am feeling this one right now. Now I would like to give you guys a couple of different styling options, and so therefore I do want to kind of put this one in a side part just because you have that 7x5-inch lace, so you're working with a whole lot of parting space. So I'm putting this one in a deep side part. And this is what this is looking like in that deep side part. And y'all, I think I'm feeling this side part look a little more just because I feel like I'm always wearing that bust down middle part, because y'all know me, I love a good middle part. But this side part is doing something extra, and I'm here for it, especially if I were to kind of trim some hair off of like that bang area and kind of have like a little bit of extra volume on top. I think it will be so cute, and I'm here for it. But I'm going to give you guys another styling option, and this is just something that you can just wear to run errands, to go to work. It's something super casual and everyday look. I'm just kind of putting this back in a low ponytail, and there you have it pretty much. So once again, you guys do check out Klaiyi hair. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this unit and you want to save some cash, be sure to use my discount code, which is MY20, to save 20% off of your purchases. Definitely let me know what you guys think about this gorgeous red auburn fall shade color, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.